And a big welcome back to Brett's RV and Marine here in Missoula, Montana. I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching today. I've got a quick walk around tour of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude. Let's get started.
So we're starting at the front. We've got our full fiberglass front cap with front facing window. We have our high gloss fiberglass siding here, and all of our units are going to come generator prepped. So that's something that Solitude does standard. Another great thing that you'll find here on the Solitude, even though it's a shorter class fifth wheel, we still have our industry-leading pass-through storage. Lots of extra space to store all your camping gear for your family when you go out on the weekends. So we've extended both of our awnings here. We've got one on our slide out and one on the front end. Both come equipped with an LED light strip underneath. Does a great job of lighting up your campsite. Another huge bonus for the Solitude, this one comes in at 32 feet 7 inches, and we still get our 6-point fully hydraulic leveling jacks. And welcome to our 280 RK. So a couple things you notice right off the bat, lots of room in here. We have our dual opposing slides that really create a lot of space for you to hang out with your family, cook, eat together. In a fifth wheel that's this size, kitchen island is a huge deal. So across from our Thomas Paine collection too, we have our TCL TV that does go into the actual countertop, provide you some more counter space. Looking just to the left from where our TV is located, we have our 4-burner gas stove. This is the largest stove in the RV industry. So Solitude does a great job of making sure we have all of our luxury amenities. Next to that, we have our 18 cubic foot refrigerator. Lots of space in here for you and all your family and some friends. So we're gonna keep moving to the left here, take a look at our sink. Big kitchen sink, some room to actually do all your dishes and things. Speaking of dishes, these Solitudes actually do come dishwasher prepped as well. Huge bonus, oversized pantry. Lots of room for not only your fridge, but anything that you might be throwing in the pantry. Lots of storage space in here with adjustable shelves. So taking a step into our bathroom, a couple cool things that we're gonna point out right away. Porcelain toilet, can't go wrong with those. Taking a look at our shower, big shower, lots of open space. We have a residential feel faucets, bench seat for really anybody. It's a huge bonus in our Solitude. And then stepping into our bedroom here, I'll come through the door. We have the option to go with a king or a queen bed here. Brett's, we went with the queen to really maximize our storage. Gives you some extra cupboards on your left-hand side. And then speaking of storage, we have our wardrobe slide. So this really creates a lot of extra room. So we got drawers and closet space. Your sink is included in that wardrobe slide to give you some extra counter space and some room while you're in the bathroom.
Eric, big thanks for giving us a tour of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude. For more information, check out brettsrv.com or click the link in the description below. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.